Technology changed the world, but not by accident. Every breakthrough, every platform, every innovation that reaches billions passes through an invisible filter, a silent network that decides which ideas rise and which vanish. Tech power isn't about code, it's about control. And the real architecture behind it was never meant to be public. Investigators noticed something strange. Tech giants seemed independent, yet their decisions often aligned perfectly. Same expansions, same restrictions, same risks avoided, same markets targeted at the same time. Buried deep inside corporate disclosures, the same investors and the same strategic advisors kept reappearing like ghosts in the machine. Innovation wasn't free. It was directed. Tech companies rise quickly, but only after receiving funding from elite investment networks hidden behind layers of corporations and trusts. These investors sit on multiple competing boards. They control growth trajectories, determine market survival, influence global tech standards, and negotiate outcomes in private strategy retreats. Public CEOs are the face. These networks are the engine. They decide which technologies are too risky, too disruptive, or too uncontrollable to ever reach the world. Behind the scenes, tech companies form alliances that never appear in press releases. Confidential agreements link cloud infrastructure, data sharing systems, cybersecurity intelligence, global server networks, AI model training exchanges, and private R&D pipelines. These alliances allow companies to operate as one organism, dominant, aligned, and nearly impossible to compete with. On paper, they compete. In the shadows, they cooperate. Declassified fragments and whistleblower notes revealed something deeper. Private tech companies share data not only with each other, but with intelligence agencies and private intelligence contractors. In exchange, they receive security exemptions, early geopolitical warnings, cyber threat intelligence, legal flexibility, strategic advantage, and discrete protection. Tech companies don't just monitor the world. They are monitored and guided by it. This connection explains why certain technologies spread and others quietly disappear. Technology is not powered by devices, it is powered by data. And the companies that control this data form the real empire. They know where you go, what you search, what you believe, who you talk to, and what you will do next. Data is not information, it is prediction, and prediction is power. These data monopolies use prediction to influence elections, markets, consumer behavior, and even geopolitics. The true asset of the digital age is not technology, it is foresight. Private councils, rarely mentioned publicly, bring together executives, investors, military strategists, and policy designers. Inside these rooms, global tech directions are set. Which markets to open, which innovations to delay, which infrastructures to merge, which political risks to avoid, which technologies to fund, and which narratives to shape. These councils operate without voters, without transparency, without public scrutiny. They are the architects of the digital world you live in. Some of the most powerful tech entities are not household names. They operate global cybersecurity frameworks, backbone internet infrastructure, data mining engines, classified software systems, AI surveillance algorithms, and offshore cloud networks. These companies rarely appear in headlines. They deliberately avoid public listings. Their clients are governments, corporations, and private intelligence groups. They are the silent infrastructure under every major platform, the power behind the interface. Those who attempted to expose the network behind tech power faced a wall of silence. Access denied, servers encrypted, legal teams deployed instantly, whistleblowers discredited, reports quietly pulled from archives, academic research revised, funding abruptly terminated. Tech power doesn't deny allegations. It buries them in complexity. Silence by design? Why build such a hidden architecture? Because control of technology means control of communication, political narratives, data, elections, markets, infrastructure, surveillance, and the flow of information itself. Tech is not an industry. Tech is the battlefield where global power is decided, and the network behind it is designed to remain invisible. This leads to the final question. Is tech innovation a product of creativity or a system of controlled approval? Is global connectivity a public good or a mechanism of elite oversight? Is technology shaping the world, or is it being shaped by a network with interests far beyond innovation? The answers do not hide in the devices we use, but in the agreements we never see. If you're ready to uncover the next layer of power, subscribe to the Hidden Codex and tell us what you believe truly controls tech.